Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, November 9th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having ham and cheese croissant. For lunch, pizza. Tomorrow for breakfast, waffles and sausage, and for lunch, spaghetti. Announcements. Teachers, please make sure you're posting attendance. Also, copies. Please be mindful of your copier usage and use Print Shop as you plan in advance. Be sure to stop by Ms. Horton's room and sign off after you have voted for your proposed budget. Math chats are available on Tuesdays. See Ms. Linscomb's Friday Focus for more information. Late duty today is Ms. Cunningham, tomorrow is Ms. Clark, and Friday is Ms. Battaglia. The word of the day is polygon. A polygon is a closed plane shape made by line segments. So it's going to be a 2D figure. It has at least 3 sides and made up of line segments. Important dates: November 10th, Reading and Math PLTs. November 11th, No School for Veterans Day. November 12th, World Kindness Day and Budget Survey due. November 18th, we have an HMH representative on campus to do a visit. November 22nd through 26th, Thanksgiving break. And December 17th, deadline for partnership conferences. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.